How's it going, citizens of the interwebs? Leon here, and today I am going to give you a quick guide or hack how to install a Peak Design strap catch thing. Focus, come on. Okay, how to install a Peak Design strap catch into your DSLR camera hook hole. So for you Canon users, this wouldn't really be a problem, but for you Nikon and Sony users, I know this will be a problem since I am a Sony/Nikon user and I've really had a tough time installing this thing into that thing. So for the purposes of this video, I procured a fake, I wouldn't call it fake, what's a better term for fake? An imitation Peak Design strap. So here we have the imitation Peak Design strap. So the original Peak Design strap have these strap catches that are pretty thick, but the new ones, they included a thinner one so that you could install it on your Sony and Nikon mirrorless cameras or Nikon DSLRs, I suppose. So as you can see, this is the secret to how we could install this thing into the tiny hole. Alright, so what you gotta do is just get like a foot length. I'm not sure if this is already a foot's worth of dental floss. A foot's worth? That's a weird term. Okay, so what you're gonna do is thread the dental floss through the camera's strap hole. Okay, alright, there we go. I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me, guys. And then the next step is to thread the dental floss through the Peak Design strap catch, like so that it dangles. And then thread the dental floss back into the hole from whence it came from. Okay, so pretty straightforward. And just make sure to hold both ends of the dental floss, then give it a good tug. There we go. It's just like magic. Oh, it's already installed. Okay, so just tie it into this knot. Okay, so to those Boy Scouts who are watching, please comment what kind of knot I just made. Alright, tie it into a knot, and there we go. You already installed your Peak Design strap catch. Just install your Peak Design strap and we're golden. So that is my guide on how to install the Peak Design strap catches into your tiny strap hole. That didn't sound right. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. If you guys liked it or found it really helpful, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more videos and tutorials or guides or hacks like this. And please share this video to those friends of yours that are having trouble installing their Peak Design strap catches or their imitation Peak Design strap catches into their DSLR holes. I guess I'll end the video with that awkward note. Anyways, see you guys on my next video. Peace! Flying kicks! Woo! It's tight here. I can't do a flying kick, might break some stuff.